Alright, well, what are we trying to do, bro?
I'm about to drink the fuck up. That's what we're gonna do.
Y era de 24, ¿no?
Nomás un docecito, mira.
Pura agüita. Casi nada, we're about to go off-roading. Is that your homie?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, we're about to go off-roading, so we're about to show you all how it gets down and stuff. Hopefully it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, we're just stopping to get some food real quick at Los Cabos.
We went to the top of that mountain over there, all the way over there.
Far on the camera, dude.
¿Cómo te sientes, güey?
Pinche al 100, güey.
¿Ya en pedo ya o what?
Ya, güey, todavía no hemos agarrado ni una pinche cerveza, ya estoy pedo. It's now 5:30, but you can't see shit. So we're just gonna chill here for a bit, and I'll record later when you can see some more.
A ver, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó aquí?
You had a flat tire, bro.
¿Con esa cosita?
Sí, güey, mira, güey. It goes pretty far, I mean, if you ask me. It does the job. Yeah. We were like at the, I'm pretty sure it happened over there where like,
Este güey ya se anda cayendo con la pita llanta.
Nah, it's just too high. I put it too high.
Is it on now?
Tuércele todo, tuércele todo. Tuércele todo, tuércele todo. Más, 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 más. Más, más. Vete para adelante, vete para adelante. Más, ahí está, ahí está, ahí está, ahí está.
La tire no tiene que estar sobre la piedra, sino que está sobre
No, yeah, ahí está, güey, ahí está. Eso es lo que te digo, verga.
Estás bien pedo, ¿te acuerdas?
I know. We go like this. This is what we're dealing with here. We gotta get the other side leveled so we can put the jack on there, but we can't because this wheel's like this. And when we jack it up, this wheel's gonna slide off the rock right there. Atas, no mames. Took an hour to take the wheel off. Bien pedos, ¿no? A ver, atínale.
Súbale más.
A ver si sabes. Atínale. There we go.
Yeah, you're still recording.
Te mereces un trago.
¿Esa es la mía?
No, ya nomás para ti, güey.
Solo falta que esa esté ponchada, ¿no?
Alright, see, we're about to give you some of our Modelos. You want Modelos? You want to trade? You want to trade, bro?
Yeah, I'll trade. That's what off-roading's all about. All about it, bro.
Where'd you pop it, man? Huh? Where'd you pop it?
I think the halfway, bro, because like there was a caravan of like trucks and shit coming down.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, and then I went off to the side, and I think I felt it too, like that, like I felt something weird. And then it wasn't until we just noticed right now. He's like, "Hey, bro, your tire's coming down." I was like, "Ah, fuck."
I was just like, hey, by the way, I think it's a little low.
He's like, "It's already low." He's actually already
Thank you too.
Sure. Todo ya. After what? 2 horas?
Right?
2 horas de esfuerzo.
I'm used to that shit. Es lo que tardo, güey. Pues qué.
¿Para levantarte o no?
También, güey.
Para levantar el perico.
¿Tú crees que nomás con 5 minutos tiene esa madre? No, güey. Esa madre dura.
Apenas son las 8, güey.
Oh, this shit's early, huh?
No, for him, porque ese güey trabaja mañana.
You work to work?
Yeah.
What time?
7.
¿A qué hora te duermes?
I'm used to it, so
Yeah.
yeah.
What time you go to sleep?
Like 12. Ready on Kelly's account.
I was telling him that's what like off-roading is about, huh?
Yeah. It's just having fun. Yeah, you gotta have fun.
That shit happens.
Yeah. ¿Te la quito yo si quieres?
Dale, pues ya.
Ya te cansaste, ya que te miro que andas sudando.
Sí, güey. Pues esta madre es para hombres, güey, ¿no crees? Al revés, güey, la está subiendo.
Hey.
¿Ya? I knew that.
Oh, he did that.
Se estaba calando, güey.
Es que nomás quiero hacer músculo, güey.
Hasta los pedos se me quitó con esa madre, güey.
Pues así es, güey.
I mean, I don't trip about it.
Yeah.
Down the mountain, right, Jose? So we're like halfway down the mountain. It's already 8:40, almost 9. So it's going pretty well. It's pretty fucking dark. So it's pretty fucking sick. Yeah, because ahorita que venía manejando no podía grabar, güey. Alright, so we're on like halfway down. Jose's driving my truck now.
Jeez!
Se siente bien culero because we're on the way down and I'm like trying to drink my beer. It's pretty fun. What don't you say, Jose?
Oh, it's fun. You gotta try it if you haven't. You gotta go off-roading.
Yeah, you gotta
You
go
haven't
try it.
lived until you got into off-roading.
This shit makes me want to like fix up my truck, so I think that's the move next.
Some shocks, some
Shocks, suspension, better tires. Because we got a flat tire from the last clip you guys saw.
We would have been home already.
Yeah.
It's all good. It's all part of the experience.
But that shit was fun. We met like some guy that was up there. Like we didn't really meet him, but he just came up to us. And he's like, "You guys want a beer? Because you guys been working all night." And then he gave us Tecates. Whoever fucking drinks Tecates, that shit's whack. But he gave us
They were all
Tecates.
hot too.
They were hot.
I can't believe it. We're drinking hot ass Tecates.
Yeah, and then Jose was like, "You want to trade?" so we got.
For trades, I was like, hey, here you get some fucking nice ass cold Modelos, and then we'll get those Tecates. Fuck it.
So we got 2 warm ass Tecates. Luckily we have ice and shit in our cooler. And then we gave him some of our cold Modelos. So I'm pretty sure he got a better fucking deal. But that shit was pretty fun. So yeah, I think that's the next move. Probably like light bars next, because I'm out of a job, so I don't have money. So verga. But light bars. Some suspension.
todo pinche sore and shit.
No, actually, I wasn't sore last time. I didn't wake up.
I was telling my homie I'm gonna need a neck brace tomorrow because I'm like, I was just going like, all over the place.
Yeah, this shit's it gets your body sore because like you're all over the place, especially in my truck, because I don't have that
If
good.
you get motion sickness, like easy, don't come over here. It's not for you.
But I think that's the next move. Probably like get some fix up my truck. But
Right.
go right. Just be careful on the wall. Yeah. So you homie. Dale derecha, güey. Dale a la izquierda. A la verga. It's just closed. That's the wall in case you can't see shit. But
You can pretty much touch the ground. Huh?
for real. That shit's like fucking, you're like fucking whole vertical. That shit's crazy.
I like
I
this
think
spot. I think it's my favorite spot.
Yeah.
Let me take it over there.
Yeah, your homie went right. I mean left. But yeah, that shit's pretty fun. So I think the next move, I think really what I'm gonna try to like do to fix up my shit and like my channel, like work on my channel, and like I really love cars, so fix up the suspension, fix up my truck, nice. So like it's good for off-roading. I really don't want to just like focus on off-roading because I like my truck to be for whatever I want to do, like just not off-roading. But yeah, like part of it will be like for off-roading, and then like just fix it up nice. I think we're gonna work on a couple things once I get my job back and have some more money. But that shit is pretty fucking fun, huh? What you say?
Oh yeah, 10 out of 10.
So Jose's driving on the way back, so if we get pulled over, it'll be well. Nah, but for real, that shit's fun. So cheers. That shit's fun, huh?
Cheers.
So yeah, well, we'll see what we can record next.